In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change lead status in HubSpot. Let's get started right from your browser. Open Google, type HubSpot, and click through to the official site. Sign into your HubSpot account as you normally would. For this task, make sure your user has permission to edit contact properties. If you're unsure, a workspace admin can confirm that for you. Once you're in, hover over the left sidebar and locate the CRM area, then choose Contacts. If your navigation looks a little different, that's okay. Just head to Contacts from your main menu. You'll land on the Contacts Index page where you can see a list of people in your database. Find the contact whose lead status you want to change. Click the checkbox to the left of their name to select them. A quick tip here. You can select multiple checkboxes if you want to update lead status for several contacts at once. HubSpot will apply the same change to all selected records. After selecting, look for the Edit option that appears above the table and click it. This opens a panel asking which property you want to edit. In the search bar, start typing Lead Status, or scroll the list until you see it. Then select Lead Status as the property to change. Next, choose the new value for lead status from the drop-down. The options you see depend on how your workspace has configured this property, but they typically include stages like New, Open, In Progress, or Unqualified. Pick the value that best reflects the current state of your outreach or follow-up. A quick clarification. Lead status is a sales follow-up property and is different from lifecycle stage. You're only updating the lead status here, which helps your team track the contact's progression in day-to-day sales activities. Once you've made your selection, click Update to apply the change. If you selected multiple contacts, the same status will be applied to all of them. Give HubSpot a moment to process the update. You should see a confirmation, and then you can verify the change by checking the lead status column in your contacts table. If that column isn't visible, you can customize your table columns to display it for easier monitoring next time. If you don't see the Edit option, double-check that at least one contact is selected. And if lead status doesn't appear in the property list, try using the search within the panel, or confirm with your admin that the property name hasn't been customized. That's all there is to it. Log in, open Contacts, select your contact, click Edit, choose lead status, pick the right value, and click Update. You're ready to keep your pipeline organized and your team aligned.